Whether you travel a lot or a little, sooner or later, you're going to find yourself here in an airport. You'll be busy thinking about that destination, the project you're working on, or the deadline that you can't miss. What you won't be thinking about is your laptop left behind on the seat next to you as your plane starts to board. Business travelers are separated from 16,000 laptops every week through loss or theft. Less than a quarter of them are recovered. If yours joined that number, what would you do? Between corporate secrets, customer data, and your own personal information, the loss of an unprotected laptop is more than just the cash for replacing your computer. The true cost of the loss or theft can put 1, 2, or even 3 zeros on that price tag. Let's start with the worst case scenario. Your laptop is gone. Lost or stolen, it doesn't matter, because in that moment, it could be in the hands of anyone or anywhere. Are you panicking, or is your laptop encrypted? Services like Dell Laptop Data Encryption can take the stress out of those moments. It's encryption distributed as software as a service, or SaaS, minimizing the amount of work that end users have to do while maximizing protection. Because it's SaaS-based, there's no hardware to install or use. On your end, you install a small client program onto the systems you want protected, and the rest is managed by Dell. The software automatically encrypts your data, effectively locking out anyone without the encryption key out of your files. The biggest complaint about encryption is how hard it can be to get things set up. When you install Dell Laptop Data Encryption, it automatically sets up the policies that protect your data based on things that happen or don't happen. You can set it up so that it needs to check in online every few hours, or that a series of invalid logins will disable the hard drive, or even that removing the drive from the computer will lock your data. These policies can be managed by you or by your IT department, making encryption pretty easy to use. If your computer is lost or stolen, Dell Laptop Data Encryption destroys the encryption key, making your data unusable by any unauthorized user. And if a mistake does happen and you trigger a policy accidentally, then the Dell Services team can quickly restore your access with minimal interruptions to your day. Encryption has you covered for data loss or theft, but it's important to protect yourself from cyber threats, from hackers, and security breaches as well. You have a choice. Build your internal security expertise from scratch, or get a digital security guard to step in and take care of it for you. Dell SecureWorks is a suite of managed security services. It watches over your networks, endpoints, applications, and data 24/7, protecting them from cyber threats with real-time security, putting security experts to work for you around the clock, and working hand in hand with antivirus solutions, completing the protection your digital space needs. If you're like many other business people pushing your day-to-day operations to the cloud, security should still be a top concern. Dell SecureWorks Cloud Security Services locks your information down inside of the cloud infrastructure, protecting you even on remote servers. No matter where you are, the idea that your data is at risk is a scary one. With managed solutions like Dell SecureWorks and Dell Laptop Data Encryption, your time in the terminal can be worry-free, knowing that you're protected at home and away.